What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. A bunch of people telling me in the comments I gotta show the profits, I gotta show everything on how the bot works and the wallet after the successful arbitrage trades. So I'm doing this right now. I'm gonna make a video with no cuts. I'm gonna show you how the bot actually performs and everything. So let's start it. Obviously the old videos are pretty old and I've been using the bot since, but didn't really make any video about it. So let's go ahead and try it. We have our bot right here. Welcome to NanoArb, high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum. NanoArb scans multiple dexes in real life and executes trades in milliseconds to capture price differences. So let's go ahead and I just loaded up this wallet with 7 Sol for the sake of this tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and start now. We're gonna import our private key right here, import our Solana wallet. Basically, you can't put your public key in here. You need to put your private key so the bot has access to the wallet. Without access to the wallet, the bot can't perform these arbitrage trades and can't execute these arbitrage trades and look for arbitrage opportunities. So yeah, without access, it can't do anything. So we're gonna go ahead and import our Solana private key, just like this. I just pasted my Solana private key right here. And we're gonna wait a little bit until the bot imports our wallet and everything. And there we go. So wallet imported successfully. You can now import the other chain or activate NanoArb. We're just gonna go ahead and activate the bot. We can like import our Ethereum wallet too, so it can like make both these arbitrage opportunities on Solana and Ethereum at the same time. But we're just gonna go ahead and activate the bot like this, so it can like scan for Solana opportunities, because we didn't import the Ethereum one. Just like that, we gotta like wait a little bit. Now the bot is working and activated. It's gonna just look for arbitrage opportunities and it's gonna come back to us. There we go. It doesn't take any much. It took 1 minute to find the first arbitrage trade. It went with 3 Sol. BIT and USDC 0.88 edge. Yeah, nice. Mango markets. Great. We made 1.6 bucks on this arbitrage trade. And another one with 4 bucks actually. It went with 4.7 Sol on this one. Now we got 7.06 Sol. It's pretty cool. Total PNL 6 bucks. So 6 bucks in 1 minute. I would take that any day of the week. I'm just gonna stay here and wait for the bot to execute more trades to show you guys how much profitable this bot is. Basically no cuts in the video, nothing, and I'm gonna show you the wallet and the end to like make everything clear that the bot actually works and it's legit. So, and there we go, another 2 executed trades. Oh, actually 1, sorry about that. So we made 1.5 bucks on that. Cool. Total PNL is 7.5 bucks. I'm just gonna stay here, wait for the bot to do its job. Basically, you can leave it working all day. You can mute the notifications if you're, or you can leave it like just go and chill, and the bot is gonna execute these arbitrage trades for you. You're just gonna get notifications of the profits and everything. And yeah, and there we go. Another 2 arbitrage executes. Now it's 5 total arbitrage trades and 12 or 13 dollars in profit. Basically, this is pretty good. I'm just gonna keep on like letting the bot trade for me. I'm just gonna keep on letting the bot trade for me until like we got I don't know, 50 bucks or 100 bucks on profit. It's gonna happen in like probably in like 20 minutes, something like that. So you're just gonna let it run and see the profits. And now we're at 20 bucks profit. That's pretty cool. I can leave it until it's 200. I'm just gonna leave it actually. I'm just making the video to show you guys that it's actually legit. And I'm gonna show you the profits in the wallet. Okay, now we're at 27. Just gonna see how much time it. So we started at 5:50 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Now it's 5:35. So 5 minutes and we made 30 bucks. That's a W for me. I will take that any day of the week, and you guys should too, actually. So basically this bot takes like few fees here and there, but the profits are the profits actually. It doesn't take the fees from your money, it actually takes it from the profits. So that's how it's operating, and that's how they keep on updating it and everything. There we go. We're at 35 bucks right now. That's pretty cool. In 6 minutes, that's a W. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it run until it's at 100 or I don't know, 50 or 60 bucks or 100. I don't really know, but yeah, just gonna chill and let it run. No cuts in the video, again, I'm telling you guys. I'm not trying to make this video too long, but it's gonna have no cuts, so just for the sake of showing you how legit this bot is, and because a lot of people been telling me on the comments, like people saying it's a red flag to put your private key on a bot, but you guys like use Trojan, use PP Boost, use BonkBot, Axiom, any trading platform or any trading bot on Telegram, and you put your private key, and it's the same thing. But this bot, trading has the risk of losing your money, and this bot, it makes you small profits every minute, but it's consistent and it's a passive income, guys. So I don't see no problem in using the bot. It just like keeps on bringing these profitable arbitrage trades. It's like scanning and everything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run it until like 60 or 70 bucks on profit. I'm gonna show you the wallet, and yeah, I'm gonna make two versions of this video, a cut version and a no cuts version. So because I think it's gonna be too long. Basically now we've let it run for like 8 minutes or so. Yeah, just gonna wait a bit. It performed like 12 arbitrage trades and have got us like 40 bucks in these 12 arbitrage trades. So another one, we're at 44 bucks right now. It's pretty cool for like let it run for almost 10 minutes, almost 50 bucks on 10 minutes, like on a consistent scale. It's so much better than trading right now with market condition and everything. So I really advise you guys to like give it a try. Basically you're seeing these profits of $4 for it's all cause I went with 7 Sol on the wallet. I put like 7 Sol to for the bot to trade with it, to execute these arbitrage trades. So that's why we have like this is pretty high, because $4 on an arbitrage trade, that's pretty high. So yeah, I advise you guys to go ahead and try it with like something from 5 to 8 Sol, I guess. We started it with 7 Sol, now we have 7.5 Sol. It's pretty cool. Nice. Another one, actually two. This one just wants $0.8, and this one with 2.66. This is how it goes. So yeah, we're at like 50 bucks right now from 15 arbitrage trades, and we just let the bot run for like 10 minutes. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, we have 50 bucks on the P&L right now, and it's at 7.57 Sol. So yeah, pretty cool. Just gonna let it run another arbitrage trade, and then I'm gonna show you the profits and everything. There we go. We're at like almost 60 bucks. Last arbitrage trade was massive. We won $5 on that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. just gonna go ahead and stop it right now, I guess. Just deactivate the bot really quickly. So I'm happy with the profits we made. So we just made like 57 bucks right here. We started with 7 Sol and we have 7.64. So basically it's pretty cool. Don't you guys think? Just gonna see if the profits are in my wallet. And yeah, there we go. As I told you guys, it works. This bot is the best arbitrage bot at the moment. We even have more than what it shows. So yeah, as I told you guys, this bot is great. You can all like try it. It's been really profitable for me for the past, like, I don't know, since I started making videos and everything. And I think people should like try arbitrage and stop trading, to be honest. Or not, if you're making good profits on trading. I'm not making good profits on trading, so I would rather use arbitrage to make profits more. So 0.6 Sol in 10 minutes, it's pretty cool. 60 bucks in 10 minutes is pretty cool for me too. So just like that, I think you guys know I've been like talking too much on the past 10 minutes. And yeah, I don't know what to say, but as you guys see, it's pretty profitable. So there we go. And go try it for yourself. Use this link. It's gonna be on the description below. As you see, the video has no cuts. And yeah, go ahead and try it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys like enjoyed this long tutorial. And yeah, I hope you guys make profits, and see you on a new video.